I thought I'll just show you about Boxcast. Actually, I've ordered Boxcast and we subscribed for the streaming solution. And this is how the package arrived. It's beautiful, well packed. It takes HDMI in and also RCA, audio left and right and a video in. And it works with any camera. This is how it works. It comes with already, I think, connected to your account. So as soon as you plug, it just works. It's free for the 1 year subscription, so it's worth the money. It's just plug and play. You don't have to do anything. It is just plug and play. It's beautiful. So I thought I'll just share that with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And if you like this video, short videos, please subscribe, like and share.